Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. A very good morning to all of you. I was just listening to your good mornings. But if I will reply you every time, so that won't look good. So that's why
Good morning.
big
Good
good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
a very big
Ma'am,
good morning to all the students. Yes,
excuse मैम
yes.
मैंने
Good morning,
अटेंडेंस
ma'am.
मैम मैंने
Good
अटेंडेंस
morning.
में रोल नंबर मैम मैं गलत लिख दिया मैम दोबारा मैं भर सकता हूँ
Yes, you can.
अटेंडेंस
Yes, you can.
ओके
That's why I say na, you should fill it carefully. All of you, please fill your Google form. It's there in the chat box. Those who have joined already. Okay, so we are at the end of the chapter. We have completed. So if any doubt is there in the whole chapter, you can ask. Otherwise, we will discuss the question answers then. If anything is there in your mind, anything you didn't understand, you can ask. Okay, so it's very important to understand all the concepts that we are studying, and don't study just because of only to complete the syllabus. Okay, the study, what we are studying, what is the purpose of education? Purpose of education is not just to complete the syllabus and do your work, but it is to understand the concepts and things that you that is there in the book, and you have to apply them in your daily life also. Okay, Chahat Chopra. Okay, if you're not able to fill the attendance, you can WhatsApp me later on your name, roll number, and section, but try to fill it. Clear? Yes, I have shared Google form, and I will share once at the last also, so please wait. Just remind me, just message me in the chat box when 10 minutes will be remaining. I will again share. So for now, please concentrate in the class. Okay. So what I'm saying is the purpose of education is to understand the things, understand the concepts. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ only you are completing the syllabus and you are just doing the work, and for just to complete the work you are doing the things. Okay, so you are growing, your mind is growing, you're understanding new concepts, new things are going into your mind. So you have to apply them in your daily life also. You have to be observer. See, so many changes are taking place around you, so you should have good observing power around you, that what are the things that are happening. Yeah. Okay, so I think there is no doubt in the chapter. If there is, if it's there, you can ask. Or if anything else is
Any
also
doubt?
there that you want to ask or share, anything, you're free to ask.
मेरा बंडल निकल गया बंडल बंडल
Rishabh Gupta. If anybody will unmute unnecessarily, so will be removed from the class, because list is there in front of me, so I can see who is unmuting. Yes, nobody wants to speak anything, or shall I pick up anyone? Just for the introduction, any okay, let me find out any student who has not spoken yet. Okay, Gorika 6 pink 31. Gorika 6 pink. Can you unmute? I think she doesn't want to speak. Devika 6 green. These are shy students. Some are very shy students. They don't like to speak, or they don't want to come up in the class. Okay, anybody else from your side, on your own, anybody who wants to speak or who wants to share? Manvi, I know you. I want any other student who has never spoken in the class or never given any response in the class. Astik, I know. The students Shriyant very well, I know. Mannat also I know. Soumya also she has spoken. Manvi also spoken. Harikesh also spoken. Gunpreet also. Manpreet also. Okay, Mehak six green. Yes. Yes, Mehak, unmute yourself. Mehak and Riddhi Sial. These two will speak.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mehak. Mehak, unmute yourself and switch on your video also. I want to see you also. Yes, speak up, unmute. Be fast. You are muting and unmuting. Okay, Riddhi.
good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Riddhi.
Can you,
I am in
Riddhi, wait. Can you switch on your video? Even I want to see you because students are there whom I don't know by face.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, yes. Now speak.
Good morning to everyone. I, Riddhi, I am in 6th standard. I study in Swami Sandas Public School. My hobbies are to dance and sing.
Okay, that's it. What do you want to become in life?
I want to
You-
become an IPS officer.
Wow, that's great. You know, you need to do a lot of hard work for that. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think Meg is not able to unmute. Anyone else? Other all I know, Satwik, Akshara, Saksham. No new student is raising hand. Chalo, first let us complete the things that we want to, then we will be left with the time. We have yesterday's, Saturday's class also. So then also we can do this thing. Okay, fine. So yesterday we discussed the first question. First question was, all of you open up your books. Give two examples each of modes of transport used on land, water and air. So very simple question. Already answer was told. So you have to give two examples each of land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport, bus, train, trucks, okay, water, ship, boat, air, helicopter, aeroplane, fighter jets. So these kind of things can come. Okay. So here you will only write the examples of, first you will write examples of land transport, examples of water transport, and then examples of air transport. Okay. Then, okay, this first question, I will not give you the hints because already it is very simple question. So you will write on your own. Okay. So mark question number 1, 4 and 10. This will not be provided in the hints. Mark it in your book. Question number 1, question number 4 and question number 10, because these three are very simple questions which you can do on your own. So for this, I'll not give the hints. These are just exemplary questions, and to arrange the, this fourth question is arrange the lengths according to the increasing magnitude. So that is also very simple. Okay, other questions we will discuss, and I will provide the hints also to you to write in the notebook. Okay, so first question is done. Second one, fill in the blanks. Raise your hands for this. First one is 1 meter is dash centimeters. Answer will be given by Pranay Gaba.
Ma'am, 100 centimeter.
Yes, very good. All of you write down 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 100. Okay, second one, 5 kilometer is dash meters. 5 kilometers is dash meter. Who will? Ravleen,
5,000 meters.
5 kilometer is dash meters.
5,000 meters.
So we know that,
5,000.
yes, very good. We know that 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters.
1000.
So if we are talking about 5 kilometers, so 5 into 1000, that will come out to be 5000 meters. So 5 kilometers is equal to 5000 meters. All of you write down 5000. Then third question, motion of a child on a swing is. Okay, who will answer? Krishav Gupta.
Periodic motion.
Very good. Yes. All of you write down periodic motion. Motion of a child on a swing is periodic motion. Fourth one, motion of the needle of a sewing machine is dash. Kritika. Kritika. You all will get the turns. Don't worry. We have enough questions. Kritika. Reply fast. You're
Ma'am, may I?
audible. Kritika, you're not audible. Okay, Daksh.
Ma'am, circular motion.
Needle. We are not talking about the wheel. Sewing machine has two parts. One is the wheel that moves and one is the needle that moves. Very good. Kritika has answered in the chat box. She says periodic motion. Yes, correct. So it will see, it doesn't show circular motion. Circular motion is shown by the wheel of the sewing machine. You know, it is somewhat like this. No, I don't know exactly how to draw it, but it has a wheel and ऐसी होती है ना कुछ, पता नहीं. I'm just drawing it from my imagination.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fourth point?
So it is like that only. I have it is kept in the another room, but I can't bring it. It is very heavy. So sewing machine is like this now. So it has a handle here. So this is circular motion. This wheel is moving in circular motion. So when we move this wheel, that is showing circular motion, and here is the needle. Okay, here we keep the cloth na, यहाँ पे कपड़ा रखते हैं, we keep the cloth here and then we do like this. So stitching is done like this. So this wheel is showing circular motion and this needle is showing periodic motion. Here, my sewing machine is nice.
Periodic. Periodic motion.
Okay. Okay, clear? So this is how. So sewing machine is showing two type of motion, circular motion and periodic motion. The parts of the sewing machine. Okay. Okay, who was asking? Somebody was asking the answer of some question. Okay, then fifth one, motion of a wheel of a bicycle is.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Malik,
Ma'am, circular motion.
Ma'am, circular motion.
Circular motion.
okay.
Circular
All of
motion.
you know, na? Very intelligent students.
Circular motion.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Ma'am, circular motion.
Motion of a wheel of a bicycle is circular motion, or you can also say rotational motion. Rotational भी हो सकता है ना, कि नहीं हो सकता? It can also be rotational because it is the cycle of the wheel. You know, the cycle of the wheel is fixed at one point. So this is the axis and this is how it moves. So here spikes are there. So it is moving in circular motion also as well as rotational also, because it is moving on its axis. This is the central axis. Okay, so both things can come. Both are correct. Okay, then next one. Third question, who will read out? Anybody? Dakshita.
Ma'am, may I?
Dakshita, read third question.
Ma'am, third question is why can a pace or a foot not be used as a standard unit of length?
Yes. So do you know what is pace? I had told you when I was teaching. What is a pace? Pace is also an old method of measuring the substances or some things. Anybody, what is pace? If anybody remember,
Ma'am,
while
I know.
I had told you.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Riyan.
Ma'am, by joining our footsteps.
Joining our footsteps. Okay. Fine. It can be a footstep also, or it can be a normal walking step also. Okay. When we join the foot by like this, okay, one by one. So that is all. That is known as footstep. But pace is a normal walking step. When you walk normally, so that normal walking step, the gap between the two legs when you walk normally, so that is known as pace. Okay, so pace is a normal walking step and footstep. So why cannot be these used as standard unit of length? Who will tell me the answer in 3 points? I want the answer in 3 points. Yes, Manpreet Singh Pink.
And yes, first point, a pace or footstep must be used as a standard unit of length because the length of the footstep, forearm length, and handspan of different person is different.
Okay.
Second point, standard unit is similar at all places of world and in all kinds of conditions. Third
Okay.
point, it should not depend upon body parts and natural phenomenon. Fourth point, footsteps and other such measuring systems cannot be used as standard unit.
Okay, fine. Your answer is also correct. Fine. So see, first of all, you know that pace or a footstep is an old method of measuring the objects. Okay, so your first point will be the length of the pace or footstep varies from person to person. Okay, varies. Varies means it is different. Varies. Variations, showing variation. So that means it varies from person to person. The length of the pace or footstep varies from person to person. And second point will be standard units. They do not change in any conditions. As she said, Manpreet said that it does not change in any of the conditions and it will give exact measurement from wherever angle you take the measurement. Okay. And third point will be the measurements taken with the help of footstep or pace will not give us accurate measurements. Okay, it will not give us accurate measurements. Clear? So these points you will write. Only 3 are enough. Don't write more than that. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Who will read?
May I? Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
Saksham.
can I please?
Yes, Saksham. Yes, Saksham. Okay. Yes, Saksham. Read question number 4.
Arrange the following lengths in. Ma'am, arrange the following lengths in their increasing magnitude 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1 millimeter.
Can you answer also?
Ma'am, can I give answer?
Ma'am, can I give
Let Saksham
answer?
try. Let Saksham
May
try.
I?
Ma'am, can I
Saksham,
give
are you
answer?
willing to answer? Okay, he is not.
Ma'am, what?
Are you willing to answer? Do you want to answer also? No?
Ma'am,
Okay,
no.
someone else. Okay,
May I?
okay, Manvi, Manvi.
1 millimeter.
So we have, your voice is not audible.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Soumya, yes. Manvi,
May
your
I?
voice is not audible. Yes, so we
Ma'am,
have 1 meter,
1 kilometer.
1 centimeter, 1 kilometer, and 1 millimeter.
Ma'am, first of all 1 kilometer. Ma'am,
You have to place them according to the increasing magnitude, increasing from the smallest to the largest.
Ma'am, may I?
Ask
Ma'am,
the
1 millimeter.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 meter, 1 kilometer.
Very good. Yes, so the smallest unit in this is, you should know, you know, millimeter is the smallest one because it is under centimeter also. 1 centimeter of the scale. I told you that in your scale, even 1 centimeter is made up of 10 mm, 10 millimeters. Okay, 10 units are there. So millimeter is the smallest one. So you will write 1 millimeter. Okay, then next one is, which is the biggest than the millimeter? It is centimeters. Then bigger than centimeter is meter or kilometer?
Meter.
Meter.
1 meter.
Yes, 1 meter, and the biggest of all is 1 kilometer. Clear? Because you know 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. Okay, then what do you say? It is
1 meter has 100 centimeters.
yes, very good. Who said that? Very good. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters?
10 millimeter.
10 millimeters.
10
Okay.
10 millimeters.
Yes.
10
It is
millimeters.
known as increasing magnitude. Increasing means smallest from the smallest to the biggest one. Clear? Any doubt in this?
Ma'am, no.
Okay. Then next question. Okay. Who will read the next question? Fifth question. Those who will read
Ma'am,
have to
may
answer.
I?
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, may I?
Some turn is done. Mannat Chopra. Okay, Mannat.
The height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it into centimeter and meter.
Okay. So we are given. So
Ma'am, may I give answer?
this is also numerical. Okay. Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, can
Can I answer?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Mannat.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, yes, answer. I want the answer in steps. So first what we will see, when these kind of numericals are
One.
told you, when in science these are not sums, these are numericals. These are known as numericals. Numericals. Okay, these are known as numericals in science. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we will make statement of this question.
Obviously, yes, like the you do statement questions hote hain na maths mein bhi. The same way you will write.
Ma'am, yes.
So what is given first of all
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you get such question?
1.65 meters.
Yes. So height of the person is
165 centimeter. 1.65 meters equal to 165 centimeter.
so what is given, height of a person in meters is 1.65 meters. So now we have to find the height in centimeters and millimeters. So let us first of all find in centimeters. So height in centimeters we will find first. So in centimeters, you know 1 meter is equal to
100 centimeters.
100 centimeter.
yes. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100.
100 centimeters.
Clear? So now we have to convert 1.65 into, we have to convert it into centimeters. So what we will do?
Ma'am, 165 centimeters.
165 centimeter.
We will,
equal
yes, we will multiply it with 100. Okay. So
100.
So if we want to remove the decimals also, then also we can remove, you know, if you want to remove this decimal from the point, so what we will do? We will write 165 over. So this,
One.
if we want to remove this decimal, so 2 points here, so 100 here will come. This form also we can write.
Yes.
You know, in maths we can write 1.65 like this also. Okay, I hope you know this. This
Ma'am,
is
yes.
simple mathematics.
Yes.
Yes. So when you remove the decimal, so decimal
Excuse me, ma'am.
decimal is 2 numbers behind, so 2 numbers means 2 zeros. Okay, so divided by 100, and we have to multiply this with 100 also. So what will come out? So these zeros will get cut, and we will be left with 165
165 centimeter.
165 centimeter.
centimeters.
Yes. And so this we are done. We have taken out the height. Yes. Who? Any doubt?
मैम मैम यस मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट मैम हम ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं मैम रफ वर्क मैम ऐसे डिवाइड करके भी दे सकते हैं आंसर
कैसे?
मैम रफ वर्क में लॉन्ग डिवीजन करके भी आंसर दे सकते हैं
That is also fine, but Gurnath, that is I think wastage of time, because this is simple method. Why do you want to do long division method? Long division method comes up when you have different numbers. Here simple, when you have digits with 0, 0, 0, 0, simply it will cut. So 1.65, you remove the decimal, it will come by 100, and you know that you have to multiply with 100. So into 100, 0, 0 will get cut. We will get left with only this number. This is, I think, shortest method. It's a short method than the long division. Otherwise, as you feel comfortable. Okay, you can do as you want. But answer should be correct. That is it. But if answer will be correct, then only you will get the marks. Okay, so we have taken out in centimeters. One more thing we have to take out in millimeters also. So how we will take out in millimeters? Can anyone
The
help me?
height of meters.
So we have taken out in centimeters. We have to take out in millimeters. So what we know? We know that. What do we know?
1 meter.
1 meter is equal to 10.
We know that
1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters.
1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters.
Equal to 10
Know this
millimeters.
thing. Yes. So we have the height in centimeters already. We have taken out. So we have the height in centimeter 165. So if 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, so how much will be 165 centimeters? Simply you multiply it. 165
Equal to 165
10.
centimeter multiplied
165 into 10. So answer will be 1650
millimeters.
Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So with this, this sum is complete. This numerical is complete. So we have taken out the height in centimeters also, in millimeters also. So what you do, what you need to remember is, you need to remember these units. Okay. These things you have to remember. If you remember these things, you can solve any question. Okay. So we are given the height is 1.65 meters. We have to convert it into centimeters. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we will divide it. We will remove the decimal, divide it by 100 and multiply with 100. We will get 165 centimeters. Mansi,
मैं ज्यादा यूज कर रही हूँ.
Mansi, mute yourself. I will write down the names, those who are unmuting now unnecessarily. Okay, so 165, and we got 165 centimeter. In millimeters we can convert. We know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 165 into 10, 1650 millimeters. Okay, next question. Very simple. Okay, who will read out now? Anmol Singh. Yes. Be fast.
Ma'am, may
I'll share the Google form also.
The
Yes,
distance between Radhika's home and her house and a school is 3,250 meters. Express this distance into kilometers.
yes. Can you do that?
Ma'am, yes.
Do it then. How will you
Ma'am,
do it?
firstly we do. Ma'am, we know that
So how much
meters.
is
Ma'am, the meters that are given here.
How much
Ma'am,
is the distance?
3,250.
3250 meters. Okay. Now we have to convert it
Ma'am,
into
we have
kilometers. So in
ma'am, 1 meter.
kilometers,
Ma'am, 1 meter is equal to 1,000 kilometers.
equal to 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meters.
100.
wait, let me share Google
Ma'am,
Form.
and ma'am, next
5 minutes are there. Just wait. I have to share the Google Form. So those who are left, please fill it.
Ma'am, here we write 1 meter is equal to 1,000 kilometers.
Okay. So we know that. What we know? What do we know?
1 meter is equal to 1,000 kilometers.
Ma'am, 1 kilometer equal to 1,000 meters.
Okay. So then, now what we will do?
And 3
Ma'am,
kilometers.
now we write 3,250 meters.
Huh. Okay.
Ma'am, now multiply by 1,000.
Equal to ma'am 3,250 multiply ma'am
We'll do multiply.
ma'am 3,000
Ma'am, 3 kilometer 250.
You will find out this. This is your homework.
Ma'am, divided by 1,000.
Okay. Divided by 10,000 or
Ma'am,
1,000.
1,000.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1,000.
Yes. Divided by 1,000. So how much it will come out?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3 kilometer
3.250 kilometers. 250 kilometers.
Just wait.
ma'am your voice is not coming.
Yes, wait. Just wait. Yes. What you will do here? Simple. You will just divide it. Okay. We will not multiply here. So in meters, in kilometers, we will simply divide 3250 divided by 1,000. So 0 will get cut and we are left with 2 decimals. So 2 number back. So here point will come. So it will come out to be 3.25 meters. Simple. Clear? Any doubt in this? See, because we have to convert. So we are converting 1 meter. You know, this is inverse. If we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1,000 kilometers. Okay, so we have this 3250 meters. So we will simply only divide 3250 by 1,000. Okay, so it will come out to be 3.25 kilometers. Okay, then next one, 7th question.
Ma'am, may I read?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, may I?
Shriyan,
Can I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
can I?
Shriyan,
Ma'am,
read
May
fast.
I please?
But while measuring the length of a kneading needle, the reading of a scale at one end is 3.0 centimeter and at the other end is 33.1 centimeter. What is the length of the needle?
Yes. So how you will do it? Reading at one end of the scale is how much?
Equal to
3 centimeters
3.0 centimeter.
3.0 centimeter.
and
3.0 centimeter.
at the other
Scale at
33.
Reading at the other
33.1
side is
centimeter.
33.1
33.1
centimeter. So what is the length of the needle?
Ma'am, total length. Ma'am, 3.0 centimeter plus 33.1 centimeter.
Simple, you will just minus it. I told you this is what? This is rule. This is a rule that how to measure the length. So it will come out to 30.1 centimeters. Clear? So this was, I think this was the second precaution. We had read 3 precautions, how to measure the proper length. So this was the second precaution. So if the scale has broken ends, so then we take the measurement from some other point, and then at the last we have to minus